Morning, morning. How is everybody today? Good, I hope. Oh, looks like there's a bit of mascara on the screen there. Better get rid of that or it might look like fly shit. Now, I'm going to talk to you today about something that's always been a bit of a mystery to me, and it's this here. BB cream. Now, I've wondered for so many years, what does that mean? Is it big breasts? Big buttocks? Bouldering bollocks? Well, apparently it's Beauty Blend. Now, that's a bit of a mystery to me, because apparently there's now cream called CC cream, and I won't tell you what I thought that could stand for, because what comes next? FU cream? Probably. Anyway, so this here, this is Garnier Skin Active BB Cream Nude Effect. Now, that in itself is a worry, because if you put this on and it gives the effect to the outside world that you're nude, that is something that you do not want to see, especially if it's me walking around nude, let me assure you. Now, I do have another problem with this. It comes on, look at this, white, and then you put it on your face, and it's supposed to change colour to the same, but look, that's not the same colour as my skin. That's yellow. That's the same colour as my cat's ass. And it's not his fault that he has a yellow ass. No, he was born that way. But I have a choice. I don't particularly want to have a yellow stripe on the bottom of my face that looks like a cat's ass. So what's the point in this? And then it begs to question, doesn't it? If you put it on your mouth, does it change colour to the colour of your lips? Does it go red? You've got this round red section here. Or if you're covered in freckles and you put this over your freckles, you get this look of yellow with little spots all over it. And heaven forbid you put it on your arsehole. Heavens, what would happen then? It turns brown, does it? I suppose everybody's arsehole is a different colour. I've never actually said that well, I can't really actually say that I've actually thought that far ahead as to whether or not people have different coloured arseholes, but they must do, because other bits of people are different colours to each other. They do say that your mouth somehow resembles your arsehole, which means I'm in for a bit of a problem because my mouth's a bit big and flappy. Does that mean that my arsehole is as well? I think that's something that we'd rather not know about, don't you? There are some parts of the human anatomy that I think are discussed, you know, in a way that we don't really need to know about. You know, like you could go into the supermarket today and get something in the same area as this bulbous boobs cream for your hemorrhoids. And I mean, what if you get them mixed up? What if you put your hemorrhoid or your ass cream on your lips? Does that mean that your hemorrhoids on your face get better? I don't know. I really don't know anymore. With all this advertising, I think it's quite confusing for the general public, unless you've got really good analytical skills and you can read all the ingredients that are in these products, which are in, let me have a look, how many languages? About 14? So you'd have to speak fluent Siberian to even know what you're putting on your ass in the first place. We can't just take the manufacturer's word for it that it makes your ass feel better just because it's called ass cream. Bastards. Really? Seriously. Now, back to the BB cream. See, has it blended in? Maybe it has a tiny little bit better, but it still looks like a cat's ass to me. All right, now one last thing before I go, because I'm sure you're as sick of me as I am sick of you. What's this thing everybody says? Down here, like and subscribe, and there's this finger that points down. Well, believe you me, you don't want to know what's down there. You don't want to like it, and you really do not want to subscribe to it, believe me. And on that note, darlings, adios. Have a good day. Ciao.